right, today we're going to bring a small LED light, and this is pretty much the size of my hand. It comes with sensors, it comes with remote, very simple to install. Large LED glass in the back, if you guys can notice. The base itself just mounts here in the back. You put in the screws, which are included also too. The controller's included too. So the controller's included, very simple to use. You got the auto, you got 3 hours, 5 hours, 8 hours. Radar, this means the sensor, and this is on and off. And then you got the plus and minus for the lighting. You could turn it down. So very compact, powerful little light. We're gonna set it up in a dark, secluded place. The light is set up, if you guys can see above it. Just make sure you have light backing, right? So we're gonna come back at night and light it up and see how it works. All right, we set up the light out here. It's really dark at night here, so we're gonna come back at night and we're gonna test it out. So it's really high. It's right in front of our door, so that's where we want it. We want to make sure we light up where we're stepping. So got out the lights, guys. It turned on really good. We're able to see at night, and we have a controller. We can always turn it off too. Perfect lighting, little light. Now we have a path to the entrance. Easy setup. Very petite, very small, very useful.